Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your e-commerce site with Shopify step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to the settings section found at the bottom left corner. Click on Plan and Permissions. Scroll down to the Accounts section to manage staff accounts. Ensure you only invite trusted individuals and assign appropriate permissions. Next, go back to the main settings menu. Click on Payment Providers. Make sure your payment gateways are secured with SSL encryption. Under Sales Channels, verify that your store is set to accept only trusted payment methods. Now, head to the Online Store option in the left sidebar. Select Preferences. In the search engine listing preview, include a unique meta title and description. This helps with search visibility and establishes credibility. Return to the Online Store section and click on Themes. Choose a theme that is regularly updated and has good reviews. An updated theme often comes with the latest security features. Now, navigate to the Apps section found in the left sidebar. Remove any apps that you no longer use. Each app is a potential vulnerability if not maintained. Next, ensure your Shopify store is using the latest version of software. Shopify generally updates automatically, but confirm that you have the latest features. Then, go to Settings and click on Checkout. Here, enable SSL by selecting Require a Password. This ensures customer data is encrypted during checkout. Now, let's focus on securing your user data by activating two-factor authentication. Go to your account settings and enable two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Return to the Settings menu and select Notifications. Check that your email notifications for suspicious activities are enabled. This will alert you to any unusual login attempts. Finally, test your website security with an external vulnerability assessment tool. This helps identify weaknesses that may need addressing. By following these steps, you will significantly enhance the security of your e-commerce site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.